Hi everyone, in this tutorial we are going to see about padding in CSS. Let's watch this amazing video. In before tutorial I explained clearly about commands, how to keep commands in CSS. It's like a very clear explanation. If you missed the tutorial, the link was available in description. Now in this tutorial I am going to discuss padding. So first of all, what is padding? We already discussed about margins. So if you missed the tutorial, the link was also available in description, guys. So what is padding? First of all, so if you are to generate the space around the element, so inside the elements, if you need the space, the padding was very helpful. So we created the div tag. So in margins, this one was created by using margins, which was explained here, top and bottom, which was given. So if you want like padding inside the elements, so like content, if you want the content, so we'll use padding. So if outside you need, we'll use margins. So that is the difference between padding and margins. So margins, if you need space here, left side and right side, so we'll use of course margins. So if you want inside the content, so we'll use padding. That is the difference, the small difference. And we are, of course, we are having four elements: padding top, padding right, padding left, and padding bottom. So the four elements are very important. So I'll discuss each and everything in this tutorial. So again, guys, I want to show the difference between padding and margin. Just I'm copying this one and I'm pasting this one. So I'll create by using the div property. So instead of that, I think better to do the class. So because the div has same, right? So instead of that, I want to do in like a class. So I already explained how to create a class. Just give div dot the name of the class. I'm giving padd and just write the code here. So here same, I want to give the border first of all, then you can understand very clearly. So I'm giving 1 pixel of border. So which color you want? I want like a solid, uh, which color? Of course, I want like solid spring green. I want this color, and now I'm giving the back padding of this. Then you can very understand. First of all, I'm giving the top of the padding. So just I'm giving 100 pixels, and another one we are having, which is called padding bottom. So padding bottom also I'm giving like 100 pixels, and another one which is having, which is padding top, I'm giving the padding top, so which is like 30 pixels. Yeah. And top, not top, left I want to give, sorry, left I already used padding top. So we are having another thing which is called padding right. I want to give like 30 pixels. Better to give 50, then you can clearly understand. Just control S, and here you need to give the class which one you are using. So class equal to pad, and just reload it, guys. Reload, just save all the things and just reload this one, pad. And here you need to give like bevo, or here also just give the class bevo, or yeah, and just control S, and reload. You can see that. So I given like padd, just observe that and just reload. Where Yeah. So you can see that I given the border, and inside the border I given like padding top and padding bottom. So some pixels, 100, 30 and 50 here. So left like 30 I given, I think right I given like 50. You can see the difference. So I think this div was not applied, the border. So just I'll remove this one and just control S. and reload. Yeah, so it was applied both. I think just give this one also as dot bor and just control s, and here also you can give the class. So guys, if you are using n number of tags, you need to specify which one. So I want this one which is different style, I want this div tag which be different style. So that's why I'm explaining very clearly. Yes, so this div tag which was I used border, so which is called margins, I used to use it. You can see here I used margins top and bottom. So that's why. And this div tag I used like padding. You can observe that I given the padding. You can see the difference, the padding. So I got like a border padding, top 100, bottom 100, left 30 and right 50 I given here. You can see here. So this is called padding. You can see the difference between border and padding, margin and padding. So if you want the margin in outside, so outside you need any spaces, it will possible by margin. If you want inside the content, it is possible by using padding. I think it's like a very clear. If you want, you can give a background color also. Just I'm giving the background color which is violet, then you can understand very clearly. So this is padding and this is margin. So this is the difference between padding and margin. I think it's like a very clear explanation. I'll come with another tutorial which is called box model. So what is box model in CSS? Can we create? So everything will explain in upcoming tutorial. Until then, wait for next tutorial. If you really like this video, just give a share and like, and just comment in comment section. Definitely I'll give reply to your comment. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, just hit that subscribe button and you're going to learn lot many things in this channel. And I'll come with a new video and new